Hello friends, and welcome back to Cosmic Curiosity Lab, the place where we let the universe speak and curiosity guide us. Today we're exploring one of the most intriguing visitors our solar system has ever seen, Comet 3 I/ATLAS, a traveler from another star system. But this isn't just a story about a comet, it's also an invitation to slow down, ponder what we truly know, and reflect on the beautiful uncertainty of science. Comet 3 I/ATLAS was first spotted on July 1, 2025 by the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile, part of NASA's planetary defense network that watches the skies. From the very beginning, astronomers noticed something remarkable. This object wasn't bound to the Sun. Its path through space was hyperbolic, meaning it came from outside our solar system and will leave again, never to return. It is only the third interstellar object ever observed in our cosmic neighborhood, after 1 I Oumuamua and 2 I Borisov. So what is 3 I/ATLAS? Scientific observations from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope to the James Webb Space Telescope tell us this object has an icy nucleus surrounded by a coma, a cloud of gas and dust that forms as sunlight warms frozen materials and releases them into space. Measurements suggest the nucleus may be anywhere between about 440 meters and 5.6 kilometers across, though the exact size is difficult to determine because the coma blurs the view. Data from Webb's infrared spectrometer indicates the coma is rich in carbon dioxide, along with water vapor and other molecules, giving us a rare chemical fingerprint from another part of our galaxy. 3 I/ATLAS came in traveling incredibly fast, at over 137,000 miles per hour, and gained speed as it neared the Sun due to gravitational pull. At its closest approach to the Sun, called perihelion, it passed just inside the orbit of Mars on October 30, 2025. But don't worry, it never came close to Earth. At its closest point here, it was still around 170 million miles away, far enough to be safe. Some observatories also recorded a slight greenish glow as the comet brightened, likely caused by certain gas emissions becoming visible under solar heating. Another surprising discovery was jet activity, streams of material erupting from the nucleus in unusual patterns, including a rare anti-tail pointed toward the Sun. These features are unusual, even by cometary standards. Now here is where the story gets even more interesting. Most astronomers, including those involved in the Green Bank Telescope's radio scans, confirm that 3 I/ATLAS behaves like a natural comet with no detectable artificial signals. But the debate hasn't completely faded. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, known for his open-minded examination of unusual cosmic objects, has pointed out that some aspects of ATLAS don't perfectly match our expectations for typical cometary behavior. For example, narrow observation windows and oddities in jet motion and composition make him argue for continued scrutiny rather than premature certainty. Loeb encourages us to ask not what we want the answer to be, but what the data genuinely supports, a scientific humility that I deeply admire. Here's a thought that resonates with me. Astronomy isn't just about cataloging worlds or comets, it's about wondering why we see what we see, and not rushing to fill gaps with assumptions. Carl Sagan once said, "Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known." And perhaps 3 I/ATLAS, whether a natural interstellar comet or something that challenges our models, reminds us of exactly that. So what should you take from this? Science is not a declaration of absolute truth. It's a method, a way of listening deeply, questioning gently, and always comparing our ideas to reality. 3 I/ATLAS may turn out to be simply another comet from beyond. Or it may be an object that nudges us into new physics or new questions we haven't yet thought to ask. And that is the real wonder. Thanks for exploring with me. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.